Texturizing, adjusting hair volume. The model has very thick hair, so first reduce the bulk in the lower sections appropriately. This will make the upcoming length cutting smoother and easier. Scissors over comb. Create natural hair ends. After adjusting the volume, use a comb to lift the lower sections and cut the length. This scissor combination creates a heavier base while producing a natural-looking hair end, different from the overly uniform look of clippers. The entire hairstyle uses Vern's both-handed faultless cutting technique, which allows the haircut to be free from limitations of angles or hand positioning. It avoids awkward hand movements and makes it easier to control the hair's natural flow. Texturizing to cut. To cut the length, create natural hair ends. For the outer layers, use texturizing to cut techniques to cut the length, creating a pointed, piecey effect at the ends. This scissor combination works especially well for curly hair too. Fast and highly effective. Vern's both-handed faultless cutting technique can be performed either simultaneously with both hands or alternately. This hairstyle uses the non-simultaneous method. Vern's both-handed faultless cutting technique has been patented in 32 countries worldwide. Obtaining international patents in hair cutting techniques is extremely difficult, especially in the UK, but Vern achieved it. This is a remarkable accomplishment and a source of pride for the hairdressing industry. For the top section, use the same texturizing to cut technique to trim the hair end's angle and shape the length. Texturizing. Texturize in the middle of hair. Control the direction of the hair flow. Finally, use texturizing techniques in middle of the hair to control the hair's direction, while creating volume, space, and a defined, piecey texture. After finishing, comb through with a wide comb to perfectly present this linear hairstyle look. To purchase Vern Intelligent Combined Scissors, get more details in description. You are also welcome to call us for any inquiries. Welcome to leave a comment. Hit the like, share, subscribe buttons, and click the bell to receive notifications of latest videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.